Okay, so first you solve the black like that, but you leave one of these corners, and then you use that to swap out, and basically you use it so you don't have to care about what happens to that corner. So then, like here's a good example. So we'll bring this corner up here, and you want to put the red here and the blue there, and that's your piece. So use this, bring that up, push this down, so now the reds match, and you flip it over. It's super easy. And then you just do that to 3 of these corners. Let's see. So it looks like it's pretty messed up. We'll just get rid of some of these. We'll swap a yellow down in there. And now we'll swap a yellow in here. Whoop. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Alright, so that looks better. But just to show you, we'll swap this guy out too. It's nice because you can use your fingers to like flip it quickly. So we're kind of doing the opposite for this one. So you flip this up, you just use your top fingers instead of your bottom ones. And get this last piece. And then we've got this last corner here. So when you're at your last corner, you want to solve for the black. And then you'd use the old algorithm that you kind of teach beginners. So you put that there, move it over, and you flip that up. It's a little longer, but it's just the last piece that you use that for. And now you get the bottom.